Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about coining press working operation. So coining is a sheet metal working process where we use specially engraved punch and die, and by the help of press machine, we engrave that shape on the raw metal like logos or special pattern or raised surfaces. That is called coining. So here we can see the figure of coining operation. This is die, this is punch. Here we can see in this portion special shapes are engraved on the punch, and in this portion special shapes are engraved on the die, bottom of the die. When we apply force on the punch comes down and the specially engraved pattern are engraved on the raw metal on both sides or only on one side. This is called coining. So coining is a precision stamping process used in sheet metal manufacturing to create detailed features such as fine patterns, logos or raised surfaces by compressing the material between a punch and die. So we are compressing the raw material here and we are getting different types of pattern or raised surfaces. The surfaces may be different types. Mainly we are producing different types of coins that use in our currency. So unlike other metal forming operations that primarily focus on shaping or cutting, but this process only deforms the material, and this deformation is like plastic deformation. So here we have to apply such a force that the deformation goes in plastic deformation. This process requires very high pressure to force the material into the exact shape of the die, leading to precise and well-defined features. So this is coining operation. So in coining operation, we only produce coin. That is not correct. Many applications are there. First one is currency production. In currency production, we use this coining operation to create detailed designs, text and imagery on both sides of the coin. But in coining operation, we can create patterns on both sides of the sheet metal or only on one side of the sheet metal. But in coin, when we are producing coin, that is currency, we are creating different types of designs on the both side. Next one is identification marks. Different types of logos, serials numbers or other identifications are coined or impressed for branding of any brand. Next, decorative elements. Coining operation is used for different types of decorative elements like different textures or patterns, different types of jewelry components, watch components, different types of ornamental or hardware components. Next, in functional features. In different types of functional features, in some cases coining is used to create functional features such as gear teeth, where precision and surface finish are critical. So in coining operation, we are creating precision and very smooth surface finish. So these are applications of coining operation. So when we are doing coining operation and creating or producing coin, let's assume that the head portion is engraved on punch and the tail portion is engraved on the die. So this is the raw material for the coin or currency. So when we apply force on the punch comes on the surface on the workpiece and apply predefined force and we get the coin. This is our coin. This portion shows the head and this portion shows the tail. So this is coining operation. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.